Which do you prefer reading, newspapers or magazines? I prefer reading magazines. They have many pictures and interesting stories. I like reading about music, fashion, and travel. I usually read them on weekends when I have free time. Magazines are fun and easy to understand. I enjoy them more than newspapers because they are colorful and make reading more exciting. Which do you prefer reading, newspapers or magazines?
I prefer reading magazines.
Why do you like magazines?
They have many pictures and interesting stories.
What kind of topics do you like?
I like music, fashion, and travel.
When do you usually read magazines?
I read them on weekends
Why on weekends?
because I have free time.
What are magazines like?
They are fun and easy to understand.
Why do you enjoy magazines more than newspapers?
Because they are colorful and exciting.